TiEcon we have on the list is equally exciting, a terrific company full of PhDs and high math scientists. It's Ayasdi.
Thank you. Why don't we give another round of applause to Brian? That takes some guts there. Let me just start off by talking about how we look at data today and how we approach the big data dilemma. Today, we start with asking questions of data. And there's a reason why when you start with a question, you don't always get the answer that you want. So today, IDC cites that less than 1% of all data is even being analyzed. So I think we have to ask ourselves, why is that? There's been tremendous innovation in speed and processing with Hadoop, in storing data. It's actually fairly cheap and inexpensive for large enterprises to hold massive amounts of data. But where are the insights and where are the breakthroughs that are coming from data to drive innovation in cancer research, to drive innovation in oil exploration, to help our nation and global entities fight fraud and cybersecurity? What Ayasdi is doing is something that is new and groundbreaking. And for the first time in the big data space, we are starting with the premise that you don't have to ask a question about data. You can let the data speak for itself and identify patterns and anomalies and shapes in data that derive meaning. So what Ayasdi is doing is transforming how the world looks at data to solve very complex, very expensive problem. This is just one example of work that we're doing in the healthcare space. That slide represented genetic data, clinical data, and millions to billions of characteristics. So when you have a data set that large, you can't possibly start with a question. So again, Ayasdi is very grateful to be here today, very grateful to have the opportunity to present to this audience. Please do check us out on our website, ayasdi.com. Our roots came from Stanford after a decade-long research project with DARPA. And in 2000, the US government asked our founders, can you bring a new branch of mathematics? Can you bring a new science to the way we look at data? Because data is growing in size, it's growing in complexity, and we want to use data to solve our most pressing problems. Thank you very much.